There's a man, valiant and strong, who'd rather war with one more rich than he, than with one he sees as poor. So have I grown bold to love you, worthy, valiant lady, for it seems no brave strengthening to me, if from the place one draws no strengthening, a rich delight when strongly it may please. Against your person which is filled complete with every good save only mercy's grace, I strive as though you had that grace from me, to serve you with well-chosen courtly words, and with their courteous deeds and graceful ways. For thus, I think, a worthy lady's won, when for the wrong she does, when she does wrong, one asks her mercy, for so it befits. For through false feigning, fawning flatterers, by whom joy perishes, one speaks of ladies and does such things that pride seems weakened in them. For from them comes the trickery and guile, whereby fine love and youthfulness both die. Thus it behoves a worthy dame to test those who pretend to be gay talkers, for by a foolish seeming is betrayed the loyal heart wherein more good abides. Therefore it is fitting for a good lady to know where treachery is nurtured, deceit and false interpretation. For thus among the valiant rises up a worthy dame in true and genuine worth, when she takes heed of what she says and does. But I am cowardly and full of daring, and foolish and wise, as it may chance, courteous with those in whom joy holds sway, and churlish with the discourteous ones. For he who is not of all dispositions, it seems to me, may well be feigning, and false flatterers fill me with dismay, for they unmingle the love I bear for you. Sir Audiard is so full of grace, so upright, gay, and pleasant in his ways, that in his blessing my heart delights. For every good he speaks, displays, and does.